How's it going, everybody? Dom from Formal Debut here again. And on today's show, what we're going to do is we're going to do a full maintenance interior cleaning on the Mustang. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so welcome back to Formal Debut Detailing. On today's show, we are going to do a maintenance cleaning of the Mustang interior. This is what I do on a weekly basis. This is how I keep the interior clean. We're going to showcase some products that I use. We're going to do this ASMR style, so there's not going to be any talking, just car detailing, no interruptions. So I'll go through the products that we're going to use right now, and then we'll just get to detailing, and I'll see you guys after the job's done. So we're going to use mainly PNS Xpress interior cleaner for the majority of the interior surfaces. We're going to use CarPro Cleanse to clean the leather surfaces such as the shift knob and the steering wheel. We're going to use PNS Carpet Bomber for cleaning the upholstery as well as the door panels. We're going to use CarPro Clarify to clean off the infotainment screens. So I'm not going to talk any longer. Let's head over to the Mustang and let's do our maintenance interior detail. All right, and that's it. That's how I do a weekly interior maintenance detail. So if you like this video, go down below and hit the like button, hit the share button, and tell your friends. If you want to see more car detailing content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I come out with a new video. I post 2 videos a week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section, as well as any suggestions you have for future videos. I read and respond to every single comment. The links to all the products and tools used in today's video are going to be down in the description. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested in picking up any of them. CarPro Cleanse as well as CarPro Clarify are available on Formal Debut Shop right now. They're in stock, shipped directly to your door. Link for that will be down in the description as well. So as always, for Formal Debut Detailing, my name is Dom, and I'll see you guys on the next one.